I am Vishnu Maurya and welcome back on the Price Action Trader. So today is Thursday and today is a weekly expiry. So today I have taken my first trade in Bank Nifty and today I have entered somewhere here, like this was previous day's high and I entered when previous day's highs got broken. So if when this line got broken and it went again here and went again here, so I have entered somewhere here. Let's check in my order book. So my first trade was 950 in the Bank Nifty call option. I was long in the morning. So let's check what was happening at 950 candle in the Bank Nifty. So 950 is yeah, 950, right? So this was the candle where I have entered. This was the candle where I entered long because first previous day highs got broken here and it makes a bearish pattern and then again breakout happens. It means it was a high probability trade. It means market comes here to trap the retailers. Like market first given a breakout, then comes below the breakout line. It means market comes here to trap the retailers and went again. So this was a high probability trade according to me, and this is one of my pattern where I take trade when previous day highs got broken. Here was two pattern. One is PDH, previous day high got broken, and second one is previous days was big red candle. So it was a kind of supply zone, so it got also broken. So I have entered a long here, but after some time it comes below the line and hit my stop loss and then went up again. So I have booked my stop loss in my first trade in Bank Nifty, as you can see here. Yes, this is my position. If you see here, I have booked my stop loss in Bank Nifty and it was a bullish trade. So again, as today was expiry day, so I was waiting for a sorting opportunity, and this time I was interested in Nifty. So let's go to the Nifty chart, and this blue line you are seeing on the chart is a supply zone. Supply zone means where market crashed. So let's see from where market crashed. If you go to the previous day chart, then you will see on 19th of July market crashed from this level and continue crashing like this. So it was a good supply zone. So I was waiting for here market to test this level again, and was and I was about to enter at this level, but somehow I missed my entry. Then I was looking for another opportunity to enter short here. I was expecting market to touch this supply zone and bounce back to below level, but I have missed this opportunity at this level. I was about to enter here, but I missed. So let's see when I have entered again in this trade. Let's go to our order book. So this is our order book, and see we have entered short on here Nifty 22nd July 15800 call option. If you are selling call option, that means your view is bearish in the market, and I have entered in a 1252 candle, which means 1250 candle. Let's see what was happening at 1250 candle in the Nifty. So 1250 candle is this bullish candle. You are seeing this candle. This is 1250 candle. Let me zoom out, zoom in first so that I can view better. So 1250 candle is this one, this. So I have entered short at this candle again, and the logic was Bank Nifty was also facing resistance at same time. Let's check what Bank Nifty was doing at this level. 1250 candle in the Bank Nifty. Let's check. So this was Bank Nifty 1250 candle. Bank Nifty was making doji kind of candle at here. Here two kind of resistance was there. First was this is 20 ms, and this was previous day high, right? So there was two resistance in Bank Nifty at that time, and Nifty was also just below its supply zone, so I have entered short there. But this was a bit risky trade, because see, I have entered short here at 1250 candle, and Nifty was trading at 15,812, and I have sorted 15,800. It means I have sorted in the money option. And if you are sorting in the money option, then your stop loss can get hit very easily. So you should avoid such trade. You should go for at least 50 point OTM. And now I will explain why I have shorted this around 6 to 7 rupees. So that was not good risk to reward trade. And next was 750, which was too deep in the money. Like if you see here, 750 is somewhere here at this level, and this is very too deep in the money option to short. So I have sorted 15,800, and after that I have booked around 2000 rupees in the this option. But what happened, market was trading around 15800, was trading around 3 p.m. Around 3 p.m. it was trading around 95 paisa or something, and I was expecting it to zero, so I was waiting for option premium to become zero. But what happened, market bounced from here and like this, and my trailing stop loss hit. See, there are two kind of stop. One is actually stop loss, second one is where you should start trailing when market goes in your direction. I have sorted somewhere in the 1250 candle, and market goes from here to till here, so it was going in my direction, but eventually it turned, and I was expecting market to reach somewhere here, or at least my option premium to become zero. But before becoming zero, it was trading at 95 paisa only. But it went like this, as you can see here, and my 10 points profit was vanished. But still I have booked a kind of 1 hour profit, so it is a good, as you can see in my screen. If I go to my position, then you can see here still I have booked a good profit. So I have recorded my trading videos, and you can watch it, how I traded and how market reacts. And if you want to join my day trading webinar, then you can join it by mailing me. My email ID is given in the description box. And if you want to open Zerodha Upstocks account, then link is given in the description. And if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. I have seen most of the time people watch our videos but they don't subscribe, so please subscribe. And if you like this video, then please share with your friends as well.